Do you want to know the reason why your YouTube videos are getting lesser views? Or you want to unlock the secrets of getting more views and growing your YouTube channel? Well, here is the thing. Big YouTubers know something that you might not know, which that is a secret to success and also strategy to keep audience engaged. By avoiding all these mistakes I will talk about in this video, you'll be able to get more views, better audience retention, also more subscribers. Let's dive in. Studies have shown that thumbnail with too much clutter or text can lead to lower click-through rates. Now the question is, what makes a good thumbnail effective? Let's take a look at some examples. Out of these two, which one would you be more likely to click on? Of course, it will be A. So this brings us to thumbnails that are hard to read or have too many things going on. So keep your thumbnails simple. Let it be simple as possible so that people can get what the video is about with just one click. Now that we have covered the importance of the thumbnail, let's move on to crucial elements, which is the titles. Think of it like a team effort. Your thumbnail grab attention. Your title help viewers to click. It is your title that help viewers to click. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, these titles are basically repeating what is written in the thumbnail. This can lead to few problems. Viewers might feel that they are reading the same information twice. And the second problem is your title might not stand out or add any new value. The third one is you might also miss an opportunity to add more content or intrigue. So this simple mistake can make a big difference in your video performance. Mistake number 2 is using titles instead of complementing it. You get that? Using title that repeats what is written in the thumbnail instead of complementing it. So let's move on to mistake number 3. This is a common mistake that can halt your channel growth and make it hard to build a loyal fan base. Think about it. When you subscribe to a channel that focuses on a particular topic, or when you subscribe to a channel that focuses on a specific topic or niche, the reason is that you want to see more content like the video that drew you in, right? But when a channel tries to do too many things, it can be hard to figure out what the channel is really about. Maybe the channel is trying to be everything to everyone, and the channel ended up being nothing. Or the channel ended up being nothing to anybody. For example, let's say you are a beauty vlogger who also loves cooking and dancing. Instead of putting all those topics into one channel, consider creating separate channels for each niche. That way, you can build a loyal fan for each channel and create content that constantly appeal to their interest. So the takeaway is focus on one main topic or niche per channel. Create content that constantly appeal to their interest. By doing this, you will build a loyal fan base and create content that resonates with them. So that is why mistake number 3 is doing too many things on one channel. If you are finding these tips so helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my videos. Thank you. Now let's dive in. We have covered mistake 1, 2, 3, and now it's time to talk about creating content that anyone can resonate with little or no effort. This type of content doesn't add any value to your audience, or can I say this kind of content doesn't add much value to your audience, and by making such content you will not be able to stand out from the crowd. You to just think about it. With so many creators on YouTube, you need to bring your best game to get noticed, and that means putting in time and effort to create high quality content that truly shines. You have to take your time to research, plan, and produce content that will add value to your viewers. So that's why mistake number 4 is creating lazy content. Also note that quality content is a game changer. Quality content is a game changer when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. So take your time to research, plan, and produce high quality content that truly add value to your viewers. Now again, another mistake that can hurt your YouTube channel is entering a profitable niche without you knowing anything about it. This can actually be a problem because you'll be competing with high established creators that have deep understanding in the topic. So without much understanding of video that you want to make, you will struggle to create valuable content to your viewers. That's certain. You will also be more likely to make mistakes that can destroy your credibility. So, the takeaway is, before entering a niche or before entering a new niche, take your time to research the topic well. Develop a good understanding of what your audience need. Know what they need. Know their question before they click your title, before they click your video. Know it. Make sure you answer all their needs. You answer their question in that your video. So understand their needs before you make any video. So by doing this, you build your credibility in your niche. The takeaway of this last one is entering a profitable niche. Entering a profitable niche without proper knowledge of that niche, or without proper knowledge of that topic. Thanks for watching this video. To take your YouTube growth to the next level, don't forget I mentioned you need to create a good thumbnail that catches the eyes. So check out this video for more tips on creating eye-catchy thumbnails. The link will also be in the description box. See you in the next video.